Okay. All right, you ready?
Put sugar on it.
No, not Sean! Oh, no! Honey, you don't do that. Here, that's good. No. You don't, we're not making pizza dough. We're making bread. Tell Grandma what you're doing. Look at the camera, tell Grandma what you're doing.
Hi, Grandma, I'm making bread.
Whoa!
Did you see what just happened?
Will you pay attention to your bread, please? Thank you.
No,
What? Ugh.
what are you, my teacher?
I am. I'm teaching you how to bake bread.
No, I know how to bake bread since I was 6.
Oh, really?
Why?
Well, honey, no, this is the first time ever. Diesel, go away.
I want to make my piece real big.
Having fun? All right.
Look
Good
how
job.
big mine's getting.
I see. Now we have to put them back together and put them in the bowl so that they can rise.
But I want to do mine a little more because it's fun and squishy.
It's fun and squishy?
Yeah.
Ah. 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 Good job.